Morning friends, Hindustan Times comes out with an interesting feature every Sunday, that is Grey Matters, in which a certain puzzle is asked based on some news item and all. So on 17th January 21, a puzzle with four variables was asked. So let me show you how to solve it. This puzzle is about four supporters of Donald Trump who were wearing certain items of their bodies, carried certain banners, travel to Washington from their respective home states by different mode of transport. So there are four variables, that is the item which they are wearing, the banner which they are carrying, the state from which they are coming, and the mode of transport. So there are some clues given with which with the help of whom we have to solve few questions. Puzzles, we draw columns which are equal to number of variables, that is 4 here, and try to fit position of all the variables logically. So let's start with our statements. First begin by making the number of columns. So there are four columns, and we'll place them. So first will be the person, second is the item which he is wearing, third is the banner which he is carrying, third, and next is the mode of travel, lastly the state from which he or she is coming. We'll draw certain rows so that things don't get messed up here. Okay, now coming to first statement, neither Xavier nor the woman with the Viking helmet carried the mega banner. So let's say first person is Xavier. He is not carrying mega banner, nor the woman with Viking helmet. So the item is Viking helmet. And then there is third person who is carrying this banner. Okay. Next statement, Tropper has never been to Florida. So let's write here one person is Tropper who is not from Florida. Okay. Coming to third statement, Bucker had the count the vote banner. Next person would be Bucker holding banner, count the vote. Then fourth is neither Richardson nor the men from Arkansas traveled by car. So let's say one person is Richardson, whose mode of travel is not car. Then there is one more person who is from Arkansas, okay, who is not traveling by car. Fifth statement is the person with MAGA banner got into an argument with another passenger on the flight to Washington. So we get to know by fifth statement that this person is traveling by flight, the one who is carrying this MAGA banner. So his mode of travel would be flight here. Next statement is Florida native loves flying and won't travel any other way. So this is from Florida because each person is traveling by different mode and from different cities. In seventh statement, whoever wore the police vest was not carrying the MAGA. So this person is N, we write N, police vest. And for not, the person from Colorado wore the Viking helmet. So Viking helmet is here in row number 2. So this is coming from Colorado. Okay. Ninth statement is Trump 2020 banner was hand stitched in Laramie, Wyoming. So ninth, we'll add one more row here and we'll write banner name is Trump 2020 coming from Wyoming. Okay. Next 10th statement is Xavier did not drive a car to Washington, though he is also not traveling by car. Count the vote carrier was not wearing the police vest, so he is also not wearing the police vest. Bucker is also not wearing the police vest. Next is one of the four wrapped himself in US flag the moment he boarded the train for Washington and did not take it off till he returned 2 days later. So the one who is wearing US flag is traveling by train. Then Colorado native carried a banner saying stop the steal. So this person is carrying the banner stop the steal. So we have our persons. First is this row, second is this row, third is this row. Then this trooper, we can say fourth is this. Now this Trump 2020 is there. So there are four banners which we have found: Stop the Steal, MAGA, Count Vote, and Trump 2020. Okay, so we have also found four cities: Colorado, Florida, Arkansas, and Wyoming. So here we see this trooper. Trooper could be either this person from Colorado or he could be from Florida. So there are only two options, as he could not be at the place of Bucker or Xavier. So there are two places where Trooper could be either from Florida or Colorado. Now we know Trooper is not from Florida, so Trooper would be from Colorado. Okay, so we can cut this line here. Now we have Xavier, Trooper, Bucker. Now the fourth person, this has to be Richardson at third number. Okay, and he is not traveling by car, he's traveling by flight. So that's done. We cut it here again. Also we have three banners. Trooper is holding Stop the Steal, Richardson MAGA, Bucker is holding Count the Vote. So Xavier is holding this last fourth banner, Trump 2020, which is coming from Wyoming. So we can write these two things here. Trump 2020 and Wyoming. Now the one who is wearing US flag is traveling from train. The Viking helmet person could not be by train. Okay. Also we have here. Also we have three cities fixed: Wyoming, Colorado, and Florida. Fourth city, Arkansas, should come here. Fourth person, and he is also not traveling by car. So we write and car here. So these two persons are not traveling by car. This person is not traveling by train. Okay, so we have to find out who is traveling by car and who is traveling by train. See, Richardson and Booker is not wearing police vest. Police vest has to be worn by Xavier's. So we are left with one US flag. So US flag is the train person, so it cannot be the one who is traveling by flight. So US flag would be by Bucker, and he's traveling by train. So yeah, so this person is not traveling by train, and this person is not traveling by car. So this person Trooper has to travel by car, and this person would be traveling by other mode. So here only this thing is left. In statement 3, We don't know what item Richardson is wearing, but it is different from helmet, police vest, and US flag. In statement 4, we have all the things. So this is how we have solved this puzzle, which was of 4 variables. Now we'll come to the questions which have been asked. Traveled from Wyoming. So Wyoming say it is Xavier. What was the person in the bus wearing? So the person in the bus, okay, the bus was not given anywhere. So bus is here. Xavier again is that one who is traveling by bus, and he is wearing police vest. Then how did the person with the Trump 2020 banner travel? So Trump 2020 banner uh, is here. He traveled by bus. What banner was the person in the woolen cap carrying? So woolen cap is the only item which is not taken by anyone. So it is Richardson, and he is carrying the MAGA banner. So that was all. So I'll keep on posting solutions for HD puzzles weekly. So keep following my channel, subscribe. Thank you.